Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of culinary excellence with the CAROTE 16-piece non-stick cookware set, designed to elevate your cooking experience with its outstanding non-stick internal and exterior coating that ensures easy food release and fuss-free cleaning. This set offers even and rapid heat delivery, eliminating hot spots so your food cooks evenly every time, whether you're boiling, simmering, or reheating. Crafted from reinforced die-cast aluminum, this cookware is built to withstand frequent use without compromising performance, making it perfect for everyday cooking. Included in this versatile set are an 8-inch, 9.5-inch, and 11-inch frying pan, a 5-quart sauté pan with lid, a 5-quart stock pot with lid, a 2.5-quart saucepan with lid, 5 pan protectors, and a 2-piece utensil set, catering to all your daily culinary needs. Plus, each CAROTE cookware piece undergoes a strict multi-inspection process to ensure quality, and if you encounter any issues due to delivery, their customer service is ready to assist. So, why not bring this incredible cookware set into your kitchen and enjoy effortless cooking and cleaning every day? Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.